Good morning, friends. It's gonna be a gloomy day again, so I'm gonna have to get some lights on up in here. I DoorDash some groceries because I like doing that, because while I'm editing my vlog, I'm waiting for my groceries to arrive. So I got some fettuccine. I'm sad it's not the Boitoni one. The Boitoni in the fridge section is way better. But this is London Byerly's organic fettuccine. We'll see. I'm kind of disappointed. And then I got some of this. Girl, I'm gonna make me some chocolate chip calzone. I'll film it. Yeah, so I ordered from London Byerly's this time because I wanted a bread bowl. Oh, it's not a bread bowl. I'm so disappointed. I ordered a bread bowl on purpose because I wanted to do a video today. You know what? I'm gonna have to go DoorDash something else because I invest in my videos, you know, like I need the exact ingredients for it. I got my cabbage because I'm gonna make chicken lomi soup again. Maybe not today, another day. And then I got some mayo to make spinach dip. Hello friends, I put extra powder on because I have a bunch of lighting and I noticed that I look super shiny in my camera that I'm using to film my cooking videos. But yeah, I'm gonna make some spinach dip. It's just like oldies, stuff that I made on Cook with April that I always like to eat. Spinach dip. So that's the setup I've got going on. I got my camera, all the things there. I got my ingredients. So this is what I made for my cooking video. I was just craving spinach dip, so I was like, let me make it a reel. Oliver is craving it too. I know, baby, but that's a nope. Nope. We're not standing on counters, buddy. You see how my body's blocking it? That means no. Thank you. Chocolate chip is kid approved, huh, boys? The calzone. Yeah, it's so yummy. I love it. Hello, friends. How are you? The boys don't have school today. Minnesota has this thing called MEA, and they don't have school Thursday and Friday, and a lot of people go out of town during MEA, but we not. You know, we've been traveling a lot, and the last place was North Carolina, and then we were supposed to go to Vegas. Didn't happen. And then Justin was supposed to go to Dallas. Didn't happen because he was sick. So I don't know, it just feels good to not travel for a while. Anyways, we're just chilling. But oh my gosh, something happened today. So I hear like a banging on the door, this door right here. Okay, I ignore it because I'm like, it's probably a pine cone. And again, it happens. I look. It's Gilroy Theodore III. If you don't know who he is, that's my squirrel, okay? I can tell based on the scars he has on his body. That's Gilroy, okay? Anyways, I looked at him and he started like pretending he was eating. I kid you not. This squirrel was like this with nothing in its hand. I said, what is he doing? He's training me. He said, feed me. He said, where's my food? Like literally. And so I fed him. And he didn't come out yet to get it, but I fed him. But wow, ang galing. The thing my mommy would say is ang galing. That means good job, or wow, so good, so talented in Tagalog. But yeah, I had to share. I made chocolate chip calzones today. I filmed it. Let me know. Please watch the video and let me know what the lighting is looking like. If you like the camera quality, because I filmed with a new setup, please let me know. Also got a spinach dip video. Let me know about that setup too, because I switched it because I wasn't happy with the spin dip setup, so I switched it for the chocolate chip calzone setup. But yeah, anyways, it's already the afternoon. In an hour I'm gonna start working on dinner. I'm getting hot flashes, so I'm gonna change, but I was cold earlier, and then hot cold, but yeah, I'm gonna go change before I cook dinner. We went to piano and now we're having dinner. We got some dinner, some hibachi. Hello, I'm here with Oliver. He was just making biscuits on me. Oh, ow, it kind of hurts, but you know what? He's making biscuits on me. Dang, am I that fluffy that you can make biscuits on me? I'm hurt. Oliver, I'm hurt. I'm not that fluffy. Hello, my friends. It's movie night. I'm making chicken katsu. And Sophia's here too. Bubby took the kids to the Crayola. I think it's like a thing at the mall. And so afterwards. I was like, oh, can she stay for movie night? Anyways, this is what movie night is looking like. So yeah, Sharon took the kids to Mall of America because there's this Crayola thing. Sophia won an art contest and she got like free tickets, and then we haven't gone for a while, or like they were supposed to, and then they finally went today, so that was cool. I'm just flipping the chicken, just making sure it doesn't burn. But yeah, and then Sharon was like, oh, gotta leave in 5 minutes, and I was like, oh, I haven't spent much time with Sophia. I mean, I did see them on Monday, but still. And so I asked if she could stay for movie night. So yeah, she's here, yay! So here's movie night with our Sophie girl. We got the chicken katsu I was working on. I forgot their brownies. I made brownies also. Hello friends, how are you? Happy Saturday. So ate something with Liam's soccer game, and then Jacob got one of the donuts from Liam's soccer game. It was like, you know, whenever a team has snacks, they give like the kids in the team, and then the extras go to the siblings, which is really nice, right, Jacob? Yeah. Anyways, homie got a big old donut, and then he gulped, like he chugged down a Gatorade, and then they were like, oh, let's go play at the playground. Well, Mr. Spins a lot over here. he was spinning the boys, and then Jacob got sick, and so he couldn't go to his soccer game. Oh my goodness. Not good. Yeah, but it's okay. We went home. I made tortang talong for lunch with Sharon's yummy eggplants. I used 4 of them. Yeah, so it's okay. And now we are on our way to Uncle Brad and Aunt Carrie's house because Lily, their grandbaby, is here. Justin's cousin Alex, first daughter.
Oh, nice try, so here we go.
Go, Jakey! No, we're gonna see Tron.
Let's go.
He's got milk duds and popcorn and Michaels.
They're living their best life. As is my wife.
Hello friends, good morning. I am drinking some creatine water. I have tried the gummies. The Array one, I went through 2 bottles, I believe. The Mary Ruth ones, I didn't finish. I just don't find the gummies good. And they always say like, oh, it tastes like candy when you see the ads. Let me be the one to tell you what kind of candy. Because no, absolutely not. So I got the Bloom creatine on Amazon during Prime Day. So I'm going to chug that. How many minutes are you supposed to take it before your workout? I usually take it like 45 minutes beforehand. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right thing. Let me know, my gym mommies and daddies, because I need to know. And oh, I got a new little zip up jacket. Let me show you. Let me show you. Justin bought it for me. Actually, I just bought it and I told Justin, thanks, you bought it for me. He complimented me today and I was like, thanks, you bought it for me. Or I bought it for myself with my little craft sponsorship money. You know what I mean? I always like treat myself to something, whether it's like a coffee or something. I think I'm gonna treat myself to some Botox then. It's not really treating when it's medical. I get it for my masseters. But if I were to do extra, yes, it's treating myself. Because do I need the extras? No. But do I need the masseters? Yes. Because I'd be like, and the headaches are starting, but I try to like wait as long as I can to get the masseter Botox. Because girl, it's expensive. I'd be trying to wait. What was I talking about? Oh, this color used to traumatize the mother living day out of me because, honey, this exact color, look at it. This exact color was my parents' carpet in the first house they bought. The one, yes, it's like a burgundy. First of all, who or why would you want your whole house to have this burgundy color for your carpet? I have no clue, but no, it was clean. Honey, the carpet was like brand new and clean. Like the moment my parents moved in, it was like new carpet. It was smelling good. It was looking good. It was like new. They said, this one is on discount. I'm going to buy the cheapest carpet and put it down. Anyways, that carpet color, oh, that house had bad energy because a lot of bad things happened in the house. A lot of fighting. Oh, too much fighting, actually.
I got into a fight with a family member there. Oh, and then my mom got into a fight with lots of people there. It was just a lot, okay? It was a lot. But the worst part was that house. There was a drive-by, pew pew. You know what I'm talking about? A drive-by, and we didn't know that our neighbor was selling some stuff. I just thought, dang, he had a lot of friends come up and through his house, but only for like 2 minutes. Like, honey, I was innocent. I was literally so young. Like, innocent as in 19. But like, yo, I had no clue. I was like, dang, they got lots of friends, but their friends only come for like a few minutes and then leave. And then new friends come a few minutes and then leave. I'm like, what's going on? But so, okay, my neighbor used to do that back in the day in our old neighborhood. And so one time in the middle of the night, there was a pew pew, and they were doing that to our house, and my mom almost got in the head, but my dad sensed it before it happened, and he pushed my mom off the bed. And my mom was like, dang, why'd you push me off the bed? And my dad was like, I don't know, I just had this feeling that I had to push you off. And then all of a sudden, pew pew pew, all up and through our house. The cops came. There were like bullets everywhere, like on the doors, on the walls, everywhere. And we found out, that's when we found out our neighbor was, you know, doing that thing, doing what he do. And then that kind of traumatized me from going back to the color. It traumatized me for a long time with this color. So the fact that I'm wearing this color is like me making my mind believe that a color doesn't make something bad. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to make my mind realize, like, that was so long ago. You're literally like 20 years older than that, like 19 plus, you know. I'm literally so old now that I need to get over that color. And so lately I've been wearing it and I've been loving it. So yeah, isn't that funny? Well, no, it's not funny what had happened to my family and that home and everything. But yeah, it was a lot. My parents ended up selling that house right away. We ended up moving to a house in Carson near IKEA. And if ever I'm in the Southern California, I kind of like to drive by it because I just do. You know, like, you know, do you ever like to drive by your old, like, stomping grounds? That's why I like to drive by. Yeah, but not the house that got, no. We don't drive by that one. No. Because I swear it has weird energy. It does. Sometimes houses have energies and you don't even know it. Like this one, I felt safe. I used to be so scared whenever Justin would go out of town. Like everywhere we lived, I was so scared. But here, I never have been scared. Like he goes, and he's been gone like the longest. Like one time he went camping with Liam for a week. And I was with Jacob and I wasn't scared. There's something about this house that makes me feel good. Makes me feel safe. So yeah, anyways, longest story short, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm about to go soon, drink my creatine water and work out. I had an appointment with my trainer, like a one-on-one, talking about goals and whatever. And I had missed 8 classes that I paid for, by the way. Well, I pay a monthly fee, but I had missed 8. And I was like, can I retake those? Like, can I make up? And he said, yeah. So like, I'm taking way more workout classes than usual for like a few weeks to make up for the 8 classes I missed. But at least I gotta pay extra for that because I already paid for it. I just missed it because of traveling. Anyways, have a great day, friends. Bye. Wear a color that you used to hate and tell me what you think. You look good in it, don't you? Okay, bye.